Yeah. Just let them know it's play clock starting.
All right, y'all got 20 seconds. Play clock started.
Let's take that off. Boy, that'd have been horrible, Bubba. Isaiah, you're gonna get a good lap. Walker rolls, throws it to Cade for a touchdown. Pulled by number 5, Whitmore. Look at first down going this way. Yes, sir.
I thought Hunter was on the Mud Dog, on the Thunderhawks.
Hunter.
Renfro, he's on the Raptors now.
They swapped week 3. They did. They swapped week 3. He had to pay Austin $25 we got a throw from Cody to Caden Beasley for a touchdown. Well, he told me he was good with it, so that come from Austin. So I mean, we're going 1, 2, or 3.
I'll trade
2.
I don't drink caffeine. You don't drink beer. Come on.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Drink caffeine and 7 minutes. Come on. It'll have the same effect. All right, sorry.
Mooneyham, pass incomplete. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a delay of game, guys. Yeah, it's 2 rests.
Let it go.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Yeah, y'all gonna. Yeah, you're good.
I was checking with you to make sure everything was good and everything.
Oh,
Second double.
oh my goodness. Walker completes to Reed. Reed is going to get a touchdown. 1. Yes, sir. Sorry, Isaiah. This is going to be one of the worst ones I've done, man. I'm trying to ref and record. It's hard to see everything, man. Probably not going to be one we put on the page. It's probably game of the week, too, which sucks. No good. Throw and that was out. But to do that. Backwards. Forwards. Oh, pull by number 10. Pull by Walker. Joseph Mooneyham. Flag got pulled by Walker. I got Mooneyham running. Tossed it. Oh, that's a pick. That's a pick. That's clean.
Take off, dude.
That's clean. And that's going to be a touchdown. It's not going to be a pick. That's going to be a fumble.
I got flag pulled. What you got?
I didn't. I think it was. I think it was close.
I thought it was pulled.
Okay,
Really?
That's a beauty.
I really do.
Okay, it was close. It was close to me.
He
So
pulled it and then he dumped it.
okay, well that's the call.
Pulled
Then.
it first. Yeah.
That's his call.
They pulled it.
That's his call. Hey, it was close to me too, man. So I mean, I'm good with it. No, we got the flag pulled. Tie ball game. They did. Yeah, he ran the first down. He's right. It's second down. 100%. Second down. I'll hit her up. Damn, bitch. All right. They got Mooneyham running, and they got a pull by
Good shit.
number 3.
Good play. Probably be good to play like in a week or 2. Think I could pick up on silent testing.
You have to talk to Isaiah. I'm okay with it. You tell him Lobo said he's cool with it. Just rushing touchdown by Cody Land. 2.
I'm gonna tell you. Let's say
Right there. That's there. 12-6. 12-6.
because everybody's used to doing this.
Conversion's good.
Can I say something to the camera?
You can.
Flick my.
You want to say something too?
No. That's vulgar.
That was vulgar. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
He's conditioned.
I told him, I said, "Heck, man, it was close, man. That's just what you got. That's just what he does." 14-6. They just went up. Dirty Birds just went up.
I'm not gonna cheat nobody.
I got a pass one. Oh, Walker to Reed. Pulled by Mason Johnson. Oh, we got first down. 14-6. Dirty Birds are up. Oh, sorry. Sorry, dude. That guy, I was like, that's dead. Hey, watch using them hands, Rusher. I know it was a dead ball, but they're going to call you on that.
He's on the time now.
Oh, got a pull by Walker. Got a throw from Mooneyham to Mason. Got a pass from Mooneyham to Andrew Moore for a touchdown. Mooneyham pass to Mason for the extra point. They went for 1. 2, 1. They're going to give you that. Yeah, he's coming here. Nope. Got a pull by number 5. Corey? What's his name? Corey? Corey. Walker throws it to Reed. He makes a move. Mason pulls it. First down. Walker passes to number 99. Pitches back to Reed. And Reed fumbles. Forward to Reed. Oh, I had a flag guard, but I can't call it. And we got a pull by Cody. Timeout by this other team. Hey. Alright, here we go. Sorry, man. Camera died, Isaiah. But I'm out here. Should have listened to you and just plugged it up in the first place, but I didn't. So here we are. We got snapping. Rushing touchdown number 5. Walker, what's his name? Lucas. Walker throws it up, and Mason intercepts it. We got a pull by Lucas Whitmire. Alright, we got a reception by Lucas. We got a flag guard. Pull by number 3, Higgins. He's rushing. He pushes the blocker every time. Got backwards. And completion. Yes, it was completion to Mooneyham for a touchdown. They're going for 2. It's up, and it's a no good. Mason kicks it, and Walker lets it kick out the back of the end zone. What was this then, Lucas? Don't feel bad. We were swapping jobs, baby. Walker clean. Catch by Higgins. Oh, out of bounds. Josh. Gonna pull by Caden, please. Walker in for a first down. Woo, man. Gene with a pull. Oh, let me get back over to this game. Oh, we got a bomb. Oh, man. Incomplete. Good ball. Hey, good ball. Walker, incomplete pass. Got third down. Oh. Interception by Mooneyham. Hey, good read, Mooneyham. Got a pull by number 6. Cody run that way. Mason, you don't run a slant, that's a touchdown. Good throw, my God. Dirty Bird's going for 2 right now. Two-point conversion is good. Mooneyham to Mason Johnson. You can't play better defense than that. He said 950. Incomplete. Got a sack by Mason Johnson. Behind you here. Incomplete pass.
When you take that 1 foot as a guarantee.
We got first and goal here. Mooneyham throws it to Cody Lynn. Cody Lynn catches it. He dipped down, and we got a pull by Keon Rucker. I think that's his name, number 1. Mason's got the ball. Mason throws it to no incomplete pass. No good. Yeah, first, cross ball. It's a comeback drive right here. Incomplete. Snap to Reed. And incomplete. We got 3rd down. Damn. Cody, touchdown to Mason Johnson. 41 to 18. No good, no good. Shit, baby. What you got? That's that reverse right. If y'all show up, that's it. Backwards. Reed throws for a touchdown to Josh. Let's see, talk about it. So Walker's got the ball.
He didn't snap it, bro. That made you leave about 3 seconds early.
False starter number 1. I know, I'm just playing.
Nah, it was him though.
Incomplete pass. Ball game.